Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Before I'm jumping into the chart, I want to thank again all the people that participated in our 500 Cardano giveaway. It was pretty fun and we're gonna be making more of this giveaway, so make sure you subscribe, you hit this bell button notification so you won't miss any other video and our giveaways. And today we're going to be talking about Theta and what is in the near future. Are we going to be seeing the all-time high for this coin or not yet? So let's jump and take a look what it looks like. So as you remember in my previous video, we were saying if we're going to be breaking this trend line, we're probably going to be seeing some downside going on. So we have broken it, we retested it, and we went down. And we said that if you are not in Theta yet, good entries will be around the 58 cents, which we came just a little bit below it. But as you see, it was a pretty good entry, and we based it on our support resistance from before. And what we're looking at now, what do we have to do to continue going up? So first of all, we were trying to break this area, which we were not able to. So here we have created another area. As you can see here, it was support. As soon as we broke it, we tested it, we tried to test it again, and we could not break it going up. So this is important line will be to break it if we're gonna continue trying. So we need to see, we have here some support, we can say in around this area. Right now we're sitting, so we don't want to be breaking it below. So we want to hold on to the 62 cents mark. And if we cannot hold it, we're probably going to be seeing retest of this bigger support area. And if we cannot hold it, we're probably going to be seeing some more downside. So as of right now, this area is important, 62 cents to look at. If we can bounce out here and go back to 66 cents and break it and stay above it, maybe we can see some continuation to the upside. And I'm going to share with you also a chart that I want to compare Theta to, so please stay till the end because this chart can give you the idea what's coming next. So these are the areas for now to see. What I want to mention, if we are not able to stay above the 62 cents and if we are going below the 59 cents, so what are the next areas that a good point areas to continue accumulate Theta before the blast off to, as I said in my previous video, I'm thinking there's probably $10–15 coming for Theta, maybe not by end of the year, but I'm hoping by the end of next year we're going to be probably seeing $10 and maybe 15 in 2022. So there's a lot of upside, but before we get there we need to deal with the short term period. So next good area to be looking of purchasing some more Theta, for me I'll be looking around this area, which would be around the 52–53 cents, because you can see we have here some resistance, we have here some support. So probably if we're gonna continue falling down, we're gonna be stopping somewhere in this area, and then area after that I'm gonna be looking at this at the 42, between 41 and the 43 cents. So here we had some resistance, we had some support, again we had some resistance. When we broke it, we were able to go up. And there will be, again, I'm gonna give you just now a quick overview with the Fibonacci before I'm gonna compare it to another coin and to give you an idea what can happen. So these are overall the areas that I'm looking at, the 382 Fibonacci retracement. Usually when we're on a strong uptrend, the coin, if it's retraced to 236 and it's continue up, it's showing us very strong price action. So if we're gonna continue up from here, so we're probably very good. When it's usually retraced to 0.38%, it's not as stronger continuation, but still fairly strong. And if we continue going down, then it's probably going to be doing more of consolidation or something like that. So these are the two areas I'm looking to buy more. And if we're going to be reaching the 61%, 65% on the Fibonacci, here I'm definitely going to be buying more. So it's in around between the 30 to 32, 33 cents. That's when I'm going to be putting much more buying pressure into this coin, because this is going to be a steal of a price in my opinion. I don't think we're going to ever reach the 78% unless something really crazy going to happen, which here again at 20 cents is going to be definitely a steal, because if we think that it's going to reach $10 in the next year or year and a half, 20 cents is just no brainer. And the Theta, they're just doing great things. So now I'm gonna compare it to another coin so we can see what can happen. So if you see at the bottom, we have the coin Cardano. And I just wanna show you some confluence between these coins, and there are more coins that look similar to that. But as you see, Cardano, when we reach our all-time high for this year, which was at the 15 cents, we were trying to break it, we went down, we tried again, but here we set a lower high compared to this, we went down again, we tried again, we couldn't at 14.5 cents, and we start seeing our downtrend. So it's pretty much what happened here. We tried 4 times, so here we can say we tried 5. But anyway, pretty similar. 1, 2, 3, 4. We could not go above our all-time high, and we start the downtrend. Now take a look at this kind of fall down and quick V-shaped recovery here. That's pretty much what happened to Cardano as well. At this point, after we could not hold our all-time high, we also went down. We broke this kind of this level, you can say, this level. We came all the way down, we went up as a V-shaped recovery, we went back to this area where we are sitting at right now. We could not hold it, we kind of went up a little bit, and then we broke through it, and then we broke through this support here. So now we sit in this one, we went up from here, we broke it, then we came here, we broke it down, we retested it, and we continue our downtrend. So here you see, we tested this one, we kind of jump a little bit, we broke through it, we jump a little bit here, and then we continue our downtrend, retested it as a resistance, and we continue down. So that's something similar that might happen, because as you remember, this Cardano time at the 15 cents, people were on a high on this coin. It was at a top 5, I believe, and people were just following. People were like saying this is never gonna go down, it's gonna go to 17 to 20 cents. But everything that goes straight up, it have to retrace a little bit, it have to consolidate, it cannot just continue going up. And I know that people very passionate about Theta, and they thinking it's just gonna go in a straight line, which I also would hope, that would be awesome. But it's just healthy activity to retrace and to get some breather and build some base on the way up. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So these are the points that we should be looking right now. Again, I'll repeat them. We were not able to break above the 66 cents. So that one area in the future we're going to be looking at. If we can stay above the 62 cents, it's great. Or if not, we're probably going to do something like that. Just one second. Oh, here it is. So if we cannot, we're just gonna go up from here. We cannot hold it, we'll break it. We're gonna test it as a resistance. We cannot hold it, we're gonna go down, probably gonna be doing something like that. Again, it's just kind of overall a guess, and just with comparison what happened with other coins in the past. We don't have much history for Theta, as it's never been at this point of area as the price. but these are the places I'm gonna be looking. Again, I'm keep saying that I'm seeing a huge future for this coin, and I am holding it, and I am looking to accumulate more as we're going down, because I see the potential. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you where it can be going, what things can be happening. So if you think this something like this is happening, please make sure to leave me a comment. Please subscribe, hit the like button, don't be shy, hit the dislike button if you don't like it as well. But yeah, that's all for today, and again, we'll see you in the next video. Adios.